Namaste. Welcome to Triyogam. Today we're going to learn about Paschimottanasana, seated forward bend pose, in detail with the following key points. Meaning of the asana, steps with breathing, adjustment, benefits, contraindications, and variations. Are you ready? Grab the mat and let's get started.
Meaning of the asana. Paschimottanasana. In Sanskrit, Paschima means west, back of your body. Uttana means intense. Asana means pose. In English, it's called seated forward bend pose. Steps with breathing. Sit in Dandasana with the legs extended straight in front. Place the palms on the floor by the side of your hips. Shoulders rolled and back down. With inhalation, raise your hands over the head, palms facing each other. By facing the palms forward, lengthen the spine and belly in. With exhalation, slowly bend forward from your waist region and try to catch hold your big toes. With inhalation, try to make your spine concave. While exhaling, bend and widen the elbows. Using them, pull the trunk forward, touch the forehead to your knees. Maintain the final pose from 30 seconds to 1 minute. With inhalation, raise the head from the knees. Straighten your arms. Slowly raise your both hands over your head. And slowly bring it down by your sides of the body and relax in Shitila Dandasana. Adjustments of Paschimottanasana. Adjustment number 1. Lengthen your spine and turn your palm forward. Adjustment number 2. Hinge from your waistline. Adjustment number 3. Your dorsal spine concave. Adjustment number 4. Widen your elbows and make your knees straight. Variations of Paschimottanasana. Variation number 1. Catch hold sides of your toes in the final position and bring your head down, touch your forehead to your knees. Maintain the final pose as long as possible from your side. Variation number 2. While coming down to final position, catch hold your toes and bring your head down, touch your forehead to your knees. Maintain the final pose as long as comfortable from your side. Variation number 3. In the final position, try to interlace your fingers and maintain the final pose as long as possible from your side. Benefits of Paschimottanasana. Number 1. Regenerate the whole spinal column. Number 2. Increases vitality and improves digestion. Number 3. Stimulates abdominal organs. Number 4. Helps to cure impotency. Contraindications of Paschimottanasana. This asana is strictly prohibited for people with chronic back pain, slip disc, sciatica, and hernia.
If you like our content in the video, hit the thumbs up. Share with your friends. Want to say something? Comment below and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon.